with capital PPF with our specially designed do-it-yourself paint protection film kits. Today, actually, I'm going to talk about your install environment and what we recommend. First off, keep in mind that it's not ideal to install any film in wind, rain, any harsh weather. So if you have an enclosed space like a garage, that would be ideal. If you have to install it outside, we would recommend in the shade and on a non-windy day. For installing it inside, even though you may have access to an inside space, temperatures can vary. So first off, you want to make sure that your environment is clean, that the panels are clean, and that maybe you're wearing less linty clothes that can cause contamination in the film. And also, temperature has a big factor in the workability of the film. For example, in our enclosed space, it's always between 70 and 75 degrees. If we were to install it on a very cold day, the film would actually be a lot stiffer and a lot harder to stretch and manipulate. On the opposite hand, if we were to install it on a very hot day with a lot of humidity, then the adhesive would actually be a little more grabby and not allow you that time to move and manipulate the film. So that can add a little more frustration as well. So if you are installing it in winter, you might want to wait until the sun warms up a little. If you're installing it in the summer, we do encourage you to maybe wake up early when the air is fresh and cooler and install it on those days or those times. Now, it may not matter if you're installing a piece this big, but if you're installing the front of a hood, it could make a difference on how easy it is to install or if it can add to your frustration.